Okay, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to resize your photos to a much more manageable size of 640 by 480 pixels, and we're going to do this by means of a free software program called VSO Image Resizer. Many of you that take digital photos with your camera, you find that the file sizes are much too large to send via email or to upload to websites, and you have to figure out some kind of way to shrink the file size down because they take way too long to upload. So there's a very neat little program out there which I'm going to show you how to find and install and how to quickly use that program. So first thing you want to do is go to Google, and we're going to search for VSO Image Resizer. So I've got Google opened here. I'm going to type in VSO Image Resizer. It's actually the first one that comes up on the list there. And I would say just click on the very first link. That should take you right to the page that you need. Here we are at the website. Just need to scroll down a little bit. There's the program, Download Image Resizer. And my computer has a little thing that pops up to ask if it's okay to download, so I'm going to click it's okay. And you can just go ahead and run the program. It'll install it. It's a pretty small program. It runs downloads pretty fast. And I've actually already installed the program, so I'm going to hit OK here. Just kind of show you how it goes about. It takes a second for it to show up, sometimes depending on how fast your computer runs. Oh, there we go. Click the next button, accept the license agreement, next. I would just go ahead and download it, or install it at the default directory that it suggests. Since I've already installed it, I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. But you just walk through the installation process. Pretty straightforward. I think it asks you to install a toolbar on your web browser. I would go ahead and opt out of that. It's probably not necessary. We'll cancel this. Now that the program is installed, let's also see how we can use it on photos. Now here we have some photos that have been taken of a home, and you'll notice that if we look at the file sizes, all these 9 photos are about close to 3 megabytes in size, which actually that takes a little bit of time to upload and is kind of inconvenient for attaching to emails and things like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click. We've selected all of the photos. You notice how they're all highlighted. You can select the first one and you hold down the shift key and then select the last one in the series. It'll highlight all of them, and you right click, and now you're going to have a nice little menu item that says VSO Image Resizer, and watch what happens when we click on that. The program will open back up. In the shareware version, it asks you each time if you want to upgrade to the Pro version, so you just say continue, and then here you can set it to 640 by 480, which is what I recommend. That's plenty large enough to view on your computer screen. We'll keep all of the other defaults the same, and watch how fast this works. So just within a few seconds it's resized all of the images, and now you'll notice if we go to the detail view, the difference in the file sizes. These are the originals. They were over 300 kilobytes each, and these are the resized pictures, around 75 kilobytes, 50 kilobytes, 80 kilobytes. They're about 1/6 the size, and all of them together are only about 635K now. But as you can see, when I open it up and view it, they're plenty big enough to view on your screen on the computer, and you're able to look through them and see plenty of detail still. Now these aren't perfect for printing. If you take them to have your photos printed, they might be a little bit on the small side, but if you just need someone to be able to view them on your web page, or if you're uploading them to a website, this is going to be the perfect size to manage the files, and they're going to be plenty large enough that you'll be able to see a lot of detail. So there you have it, how you can use VSO Image Resizer to resize your photos.